Hello everyone and welcome back to the Fifth Dimensional Trading YouTube channel. Within this video I will be sharing how you could have gotten yourself a 1 to 12 risk to reward ratio. So as always, first off we will start by marking up the market structure. We have a break of structure to the downside right there. You can see we swung there to there, coming into this order block, coming down and breaking this low. We then had a slight pullback. We would have been trying to get a trade out of somewhere here. And then price came down and has now broken this low. Okay, very simple. So we have identified that the order flow is bearish. Okay, so we are just expecting a continuation of this bearish order flow. We're expecting price to come back, put in a lower high, and then continue down, breaking this low right here, where we will be targeting our take profit. So with that in mind, we can now mark up our ranging high and low, which is this high here being our swing high, and this low here is our swing low. So we know then that we are now ranging within here. We know price is going to pull back to somewhere in here before continuing down and taking out this low. So with that in mind, we need to mark up our order blocks. So right here we have a order block. This is a ranging zone. If you wanted to refine this, you could bring it down to this last grey candle here, which is what I'm going to do. But it's safe to understand, it's good to understand that this whole range here is the overall order block. So I'm not too sure why that happened there. Wi-Fi probably playing up, but nonetheless, let's carry on. So we know we're ranging within here, and we're going to pull back to an order block somewhere. We have our order block here. We do also have this at the top here. However, we're just going to focus on this unless this gets broken through, and then we'll look to see if price enters this one. So the main focus is on this first one here. Okay. We know that this low here is major liquidity, being a swing low. We know there's a lot of stop losses around this area, so there's another good reason to target that. Also with the bearish order flow as well, just remember the trend is your friend. So when price enters, we're going to, as always, look for a 1 minute confirmation. Price enters, let's drop down to the 1 minute, see if it's broke the zone. It's only wicked out, so it's still valid. Still just a wick. If it was to close above it with a body, then that would be invalid. The zone would be broken. But it would be important to understand that the whole range is still valid, and we would have to unrefine it back to the range, right? However, this refined zone has held. It's only wicked out. And now we need to mark out the structure. We have a high there and a low there, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So now we have had our change of character. Now we have realigned with the 15-minute order flow. Okay? So we would be looking to sell from here. Entry just there. Stop loss just above. Go with 4.5. And we shall target the low. Let's place this order. And we get tagged in there perfectly. Sniper entry. And now price is moving. by now we would have moved our stop loss to break even, and the trade would be running risk free. Price comes very close and starts to retrace, but let's see what happens. And in a minute now, price should hit the take profit. Let's play it out. I'm not too sure why I'm clicking it candle by candle. Just play it out like so. It's retracing quite a bit. It's probably a new 15-minute order block here. And there we go. It hits the take profit, taking out a swing low, continuing the bearish order flow. Now, I did say I wanted 12. Sorry about that. It's a 1 to 10, but nonetheless still a huge trade, right? 10% profit within one single day trade is still very, very good. Some people, well, a lot of people actually, a lot of traders out there don't even see 10% profit within a month, let alone a single trade from a single day. So again, this is using our day trading strategy, very powerful, following the structure. If you want to learn all this, join the academy. Link in the bio, link in the channel description. Buy the course, join the community, and get a lot of one-to-one help from me and other people. And you will become a very, very profitable Forex trader. So without further ado, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you're new, and stick around for more content like this. Thank you.